Dear students, very good evening to all. Today I am going to explain about the experiment related to the Node MCU where we are performing the LED functionality using the Node MCU. The principal aim of this experiment is to make LED functional using Node MCU. So, what are the main hardware components that are required for this particular experiment are ESP32 node MCU and one resistor and one LED. So, this ESP32 is a one popular microcontroller where which is why it is very popular because which is having good processing speeds and which will have the integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. That's why the people are widely using this particular ESP32 node MCU. Okay, coming to the connections related to this particular experiment, you can observe these are the connections. Okay, so you can see that this is the ESP32 microcontroller. Okay, you can see that here there is a ground pin GND. Okay, and the output pin are connected to the pin number 2. So this ground pin is connected to here one end of this particular LED, and another end of this LED is connected to the one end of the resistor, and another end of the resistor is connected to the pin number 2. This is the very simple connections. And coming to the software, so where we are going to use the platform, that is the oak simulation platform. Okay, here we are going to use the ESP32 simulator. You can see that you can use you can use your any social media mail ID, and by using that you can perform the simulation related to the ESP32 simulator. Okay, so here you can see that there are different templates are there. So here I am going to choosing the option ESP32. You can select that particular option. Okay, once you click that particular option, immediately you can see that this type of a work area, it can be displayed over your screen. You can see that it default it is a drop one ESP32 microcontroller. Okay, and there is a default program was there in the this particular work area. You can delete that particular program. Okay, okay, coming to the what type our program. Okay, here we are going to use the this is the program related to our this LED functionality by using the Node MCU. You can see that we are going to use the LED2 as the output pin. Okay, we are going to use the LED pin as the output because here we are defining LED2. This is the one of the preprocessor directive that defines a macro where whenever a preprocessor encounters the word LED in the code, it will replace it with pin number 2. That's why we are using this particular define LED. So, and we are making that our pin mode LED comma output. So we are making it that LED2 as the output pin, and to make the LED glow, to make it that in on condition, we are using the code here digital write LED comma high. So whenever this code is encountered, then the LED will glow. Okay, and it to glow for certain seconds, so we are using the code delay 500 such a way that it can make the that particular LED. So 500 milliseconds it will hold in the on condition, and after that the next code we have to make it the LED off. For that we are writing it as a digital write LED low. Due to that the LED will get into off mode, and after that in the off mode it will be there in that off mode for a delay of that 500, that is it will 500 milliseconds it will be in the off condition. Like that, this is the code related to a particular program. So you can type this particular program in the work area related to the Oxy. So now I am copying this entire code here. Okay, I'm copying this entire code. Okay, and now I am in the work area in the workview platform, online platform. I am pasting that entire code here. Okay, you can allow that particular like anything. It ask we just type print allow. Okay, so here I am going to click the components. I am going because I am going to use the LED. So you can zoom in or zoom out. I can drag it and can change the color. Okay, I can use any color. Okay, and I am going to use the drop the resistor. Click on the resistor and again. Okay, this one is the ground connection. So ground to you connect it to one end of this particular LED. So other end of the LED to the resistor, and this particular other end of the resistor you can connect it to the pin number 2. These are the very simple connections. Now to check the simulation, okay, you just here you can see the areas button start the simulation. You just press that particular button, start the simulation. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, already because it is a free version, that's why it will take some time. So already I perform this experiment in other browser window. You can see here, this is the how the LED is glowing here by this particular ESP32. This is the how we can perform the experiment by using the ESP32. Hope this session is very useful to you. Thank you, my dear students.